Do you ever feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders? It's like you're running on empty, trying to juggle all the demands of life? You're not alone. We all have days, weeks, or even seasons where we feel weak, overwhelmed, and just plain tired. It's in these moments that we need something more than our own strength to carry on. We need a strength that comes from a higher source, a strength that is both gentle and powerful. We need God's grace. What exactly is grace? It's often described as unmerited favor. It's God's goodness, His kindness, His love, and His power given to us freely. Not because we've earned it, but simply because He loves us. Think of it like a constant, flowing river, okay? We don't have to create the river. We just have to step into it. When we pray, Lord, let your grace strengthen me today, we are essentially asking to step into that river of divine strength, admitting that our own power has limits, but His does not. So, how do we practically access this grace every day? It starts with a simple, humble acknowledgement. When you wake up, before your feet even hit the floor, you can whisper this prayer. It's not about using fancy words. It's about the posture of your heart. It's saying, God, I can't do today on my own. I need your help. I need your strength to face my challenges, your patience to deal with difficult people, and your wisdom to make the right decisions. This simple act of surrender opens the door for His grace to flood your life. The Bible tells us in 2 Corinthians 12:9, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Isn't that amazing? Our weaknesses are not liabilities. They are opportunities for God's power to be displayed. When you feel weak, that's the perfect time to lean on Him. When you feel inadequate, that's when His grace can make you more than adequate. He isn't waiting for you to be perfect or strong on your own. He's waiting for you to come to Him just as you are. Throughout your day, keep this conversation going. When a stressful email pops up, take a deep breath and silently ask for His grace. When you feel your patience wearing thin with your family, ask for a fresh dose of His strength. It's about creating a habit of dependence on Him, moment by moment. It's not a one-time request in the morning, but a continuous reliance throughout the day. Grace isn't just for salvation. It's for our sanctification, our daily walk, our moment survival, and victory. Relying on grace changes everything. It turns striving into resting. It transforms anxiety into peace. It replaces the heavy burden of self-reliance with a light yoke of dependence on a loving Father who has limitless resources. When you're strengthened by His grace, you can face the impossible with confidence. You can love the unlovable with a supernatural love. You can find joy in the middle of a storm because your strength is untied to your circumstances. It's anchored in the unchanging, all-powerful grace of God. So today, I encourage you, let this be your prayer, your mantra, your heart's cry. Lord, let your grace strengthen me today. Don't just try to get through the day. Invite Him to walk through it with you. Rely on His inexhaustible supply of strength and watch how He empowers you to not just survive, but to truly thrive. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more encouragement. We'd love to have you as part of our community. God bless you.